Nishant. Sorry. Yesterday, I have just sent it a message in the WhatsApp. Only Purvi has responded. No one else. Why it is so? Can I know this? Only Purvi has responded. No one else. ऐसा क्यों भाई? ऑल राइट, चलिए जवाब बाद में लूंगा मैं. अभी हम क्या करते हैं कि क्लास को चालू करते हैं ना. सो पूर्वी, ओवर टू यू.
Yes,
वी कैन स्टार्ट विद द प्रेयर.
yes, sir.
Saira. Okay, now tell me, what would be the agenda for today's class? देखो, बहुत दिनों बाद लौटे हैं, एजेंडा तो डिसाइड करके चलना पड़ेगा, है ना. Now what you people want from me? Yes, Nishant.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. What is the agenda for today's class?
Sir, we should discuss second chapter.
Okay.
Sir, but actually, in the first chapter, some of the presentations are remaining. Like, after me, no one presented the topics which were assorted to them.
Okay. Can you tell me which topic we have left out?
Yes, sir. Sir, the last topic which was completed was knockout procedure, and that's it. After that, league was remaining. Intramural and
Okay.
extramural was not presented, sir. After that, everything
Okay.
in first chapter.
Sir,
Intramural.
intramural and extramural were completed by Divya.
Okay. And third one? Intramural, extramural, and what was
Sir,
left,
till
Nishant?
this we have completed.
I think first chapter was completed.
No,
And
sir, specific sports program were left. This was the topic which was left.
what?
The specific sports program.
Okay, specific sports program.
This topic was left.
Okay, right. And what else? All right. So specific sports program left out. Okay. किसको दिया था ये, कोई बताएगा मुझे?
सर उनके सब पार्ट से मतलब बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स को दिए थे सर। तो स्पेसिफिक स्पोर्ट्स प्रोग्राम मुस्कान को दिया था और स्पोर्ट्स डे भी मुस्कान को दिया था भार्गव। फिर उसके
पर
बाद
मुस्कान
हेल्थ रन फाइजा, रन फॉर फन पूर्वी, रन फॉर स्पेसिफिक कॉजेज राज ओझा और रन फॉर यूनिटी प्रखर।
Okay, so these all people are here in the classroom. Faiza is here. Prakhar is here. Prakhar,
Yes, sir.
are you listening in the class?
Yes, sir.
Which topic has been assigned to you?
Run for unity.
Have you completed that? Have you completed that?
Sir, it is half completed.
When we are going to complete that?
Sir, tomorrow.
Okay. Faiza? Faiza Khan is here in the class?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Which was the topic has been assigned to you? Do you remember?
Yes, sir. I remember you sent some topics.
Some topic.
सर मुझे वो
निशांत
लिस्ट नहीं मिल रही है अभी, मेरा वाला कौन सा था?
Nishant, please tell Faiza. Nishant?
Yes sir.
Hmm.
Sir, Faiza's topic is health run.
Health run. Okay. And who else? Prakhar and Faiza के बाद में?
सर आए।
Sir,
Who?
सर
Purvi.
पूर्वी।
पूर्वी का कौन सा रह गया था?
सर रन फॉर फन।
Okay. And after that?
Sir, Raj.
Raj is here? Raj is not here in the class, I think.
Yes, sir. He is not.
Yeah, he's not here. राज का क्या था?
Sir, run for specific causes.
और
सर मुस्कान का था स्पेसिफिक स्पोर्ट्स प्रोग्राम एक और स्पोर्ट्स डे एक और
स्पेसिफिक स्पोर्ट्स प्रोग्राम
और स्पोर्ट्स डे।
ओके। मुस्कान भार्गव।
यस सर।
ऑल राइट। और बस यही टॉपिक थे या दिव्या का भी कुछ रह गया था? 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 राइट? 5।
Yes sir.
5. All right. These topics are very basically very small, and in one day it can be completed. So those who are present in the class, kindly prepared and present tomorrow. All right. Otherwise, it is very hard to come back on the normal process. If
Sir?
anything, हाँ बोलो।
Sir, I am ready with my presentation.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Very good. Okay. ठीक है पूर्वी, अभी बात करते हैं। All right. Now, हाँ रुमिशा बोलो बेटा।
सर फैक्टर्स फॉर स्पेसिफिक स्पोर्ट्स प्रोग्राम भी है एक टॉपिक।
क्या है फैक्टर्स और स्पोर्ट्स प्रोग्राम? ये किसका है टॉपिक? रुमिशा?
सर मुझे नहीं पता पर ये बुक में है.
Okay, factor affecting sports program.
Factors for specific sports programs.
Okay. ठीक है. Let me check today and then I will inform. All right. तो ये इतना सारा चैप्टर 1 का रह गया था. All right. Is there any problem in chapter 1 in league tournament or knockout tournament or anything else? वो तो सारा क्लियर हो गया था सबको. Or I have to restart again with the chapter number 1.
No, sir.
ओके. अच्छा, ये तो ठीक है. ये तो पिछले चैप्टर का पता लग गया. और ये लोग जिन जिन के चैप्टर्स में नाम लिए गए हैं, ये सारे अपने अपने प्रिपरेशन करके कल प्रेजेंट करके इसको खत्म कर देंगे चैप्टर नंबर 1 को. ठीक है. पूर्वी आज टाइम में, आज मैं पूर्वी को मौका दूंगा तो वो अपना कर लेगी काम. अच्छा, अब मैं ये पूछना चाह रहा था, जिन बच्चों को नॉमिनेट किया था युवा प्रोग्राम के लिए, उनमें से कितने लोगों ने वो वीडियो यूट्यूब का देख लिया? पूर्वी ने देख लिया. और दिशा हैव डन. ओके. पूर्वी, दिशा हैज रेज्ड देयर हैंड. श्रावणी ने किया क्या? श्रावणी ने कर लिया. ओके, गुड. तो क्या एक्सपीरियंस रहा उसका, कोई बताएगा मुझे?
सर मैं बताऊं?
नहीं पूर्वी, आप रुको. आपके अलावा
सर मैं
हाँ, बताओ दिशा.
सर अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था. उन्होंने सारी चीजें अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन की और बहुत
क्या क्या
सारी
चीजें?
काम की चीज, कैसे प्रोटेक्ट करें सोसाइटी वगैरह, ये सब, इन सब से रिलेटेड, कोरोना से रिलेटेड, ये सारी इंफॉर्मेशन दी जो कि बहुत हेल्पफुल थी. ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें थी, तो बेनिफिशियल वीडियो था वो.
ओके. उसके बाद में कोई टास्क दिया उन्होंने आपको? Is there any task they have given? Disha? Hello? Okay, I think some technical problem is there at the Disha end. Shravani?
Yes, sir.
Would you like to tell me
Sir,
what
I-
task?
Sir, I have not seen the video yet
Okay.
fully.
Okay.
Sir, it was Shivansh who responded.
शिवांश? चलिए, गुड. तो ये साइलेंस में फिर मैं क्या काम करूं? मेरी तो ये आई एम वेरी सैड. सब विंडो बंद करके बैठे हुए हैं. और चलिए, कोई बात नहीं. ऑल राइट. All right, can you see this, my screen?
Yes, sir.
All right. So specific sports programs, sports day, health run, run for fun, or specific causes, and run for unity, right? और इसका भी देख लेता हूँ. Significance of intramurals, objective of intramurals, factors affecting तो नहीं है अभी इसमें. चलो, I will look at and then I will tell you. Now, as that word suggests, specific sports programs. So, specific sports programs are programs which are conducted for a specific purpose. Now, what can be the specific purpose? To bring the awareness in the society, to bring the awareness among the student, right? With the specific purpose. Run for fun. Fun means if you want to enjoy, start running. Run for unity. Now, what is unity? Means the India is having the diversity, but still they are united. So, or some cancer awareness program, some blood donation program. This sports specific programs can be connected with the specific kind of the causes. They may be conducted frequently, depending on the purpose, like annual sports day of a school, where the purpose is to demonstrate the skills and ability of the children. अब ये जो specific program है, in that this sports day is also included. Why it has been included? The specific purpose of a sports day in any institution is that whatever the students has learned for the whole year, these or skills can be demonstrated on that day in front of the parents or in front of the audience. And it is not necessary that the such programs be conducted frequently. और ये जरूरी भी नहीं है कि हमेशा ही करना है, चेंज करके भी कर सकते हैं, alternate years में कर सकते हैं. Example, a company can conduct a run to promote its products. कोई कंपनी का प्रोडक्ट है, उसको उसे प्रमोट करना है, they can organize a sports program and that way they can promote their product while taking the help from the sports. The company may discontinue the run or they may continue it for a social cause like promotion of health and charity. कंपनी बंद भी कर सकती है और कंटिन्यू भी कर सकती है. If they want to continue with the charity, they want to continue with to promote the health of the people, they can continue with that. The important point is such a specific sports program must be conducted by a team of professionals. Who is going to conduct this program? A person who is basically are professionals and they are trained to organize such kind of the program. The important point is such a specific program must be conducted by a team of professionals, including personnel from physical education and sports. Chances of any accident or any casualty during this event may increase to the unprofessional or unexperienced people. अगर उनको उस बैकग्राउंड का नहीं है, वो जहां पे वो स्पोर्ट्स के चीजों को समझ के ऑर्गेनाइज कराए, अगर वो ऐसा नहीं करते हैं तो फिर ये अनप्रोफेशनल लोग कई बार इंजुरीज को इनवाइट कर देते हैं. तो ये ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा कि अगर हम कोई स्पेसिफिक प्रोग्राम कर रहे हैं तो नंबर 1 उसका पर्पस स्पेसिफिक हमको मालूम चाहिए. ये रेगुलरली भी कंडक्ट कर सकते हैं और इसको ऑल्टरनेट भी कर सकते हैं, इसको रोक भी सकते हैं, इसको चला भी सकते हैं. लेकिन ध्यान ये रखना है कि हमको हेल्थ कॉन्शियसनेस बढ़ाने के लिए, सोसाइटी में चैरिटी डेवलप करने के लिए, towards for improving the health, this program can be conducted. And when you are conducting the program, this all people, those who are in the organizing of that program, should be the professionals from physical education and the sports side. Right? Now, sports day, specific program. Now, what is sports day? It's the important program that features in the annual calendar of most of the schools. And it is an event to showcase the children's ability and powers on the sports field to their parents. As you all are aware, that I always used to say, a sports program is not my program, it's your program. Because whatever you learn from me or whatever you have learned in the school, that you are going to demonstrate in front of your parents. So this sports day is basically a program which has been organized by the institution to show the child ability, what the child has learned, how perfectly the child is executing their skills, how betterly they are coordinating with each other, and how betterly they are coming in a group and presenting a task that they learned for the whole year, they present in front of the parents. It also reflects the organizational strength of the institution. How well this program can be conducted, how well this program can be presented. This also gets reflected the strength of the institution, how better way this institution is able to organize the different programs of sports. To celebrate Sports Day at school, the focus should not only be participation in sports persons, but the institution should aim at putting on a display of skills of all the students. As I always used to say, key emphasis on the mass participation. Mass participation is more important. Here they are saying institutions should aim at putting on a display of skills for all the students. Means each and every student should be involved in such kind of the sports programs. Not only a participants sports person, केवल एक या दो लोगों के या 10 लोगों के या 15 लोगों को मिलाकर के प्रोग्राम प्रेजेंट नहीं करना चाहिए. मास लेवल पे each and every child should get equal opportunity to participate in such programs. Activities like may be competitive in nature and highlights students' ability. And whatever the activities we are organizing in this sports day, they should be highly competitive. It may be competitive, means वहां पे competition हो, ठीक है, but उस highly competitive atmosphere में भी students की best abilities बाहर निकल के, that should be the purpose for organizing this sports day, right? As you participate in different intramural activities where you compete with each other to win, to participate, then you come to the annual athletic meet, you always strive to put forth your best performance, right, for the house, and that way your abilities to run, to throw, to jump, this all can be highlighted during these programs. Major focus should be maximum engagement and involvement of the students, parents, teacher and other stakeholder. तो आपने देखा होगा जो हमारा स्पोर्ट्स प्रोग्राम होता है उसमें each and every student, each and every teacher and all the parents, those who comes on the ground to observe your performance, they all become the stakeholder of this program. They become the part of this program, right? In the recent time, Government of India is celebrating National Sports Day on 29th August on the occasion of birthday of Major Dhyan Chand, a hockey legend. Government of India ने अभी ये नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स डे भी घोषित कर दिया है. दैट इज नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स डे इज ऑन 29th of August. तो स्पोर्ट्स डे एक स्पेसिफिक पर्पस का प्रोग्राम है जिसमें बच्चों की बेस्ट एबिलिटीज, each and every individuals is able to show their talent in that program and mass participation should be ensured. And all the stakeholders, students, parents, teachers and others, they should come together and participate, get involved and appreciate this program. Right? Now, do you know Fit India movement was launched on 29th August 19 on the occasion of birthday and anniversary of Dr. Major Dhyan Chand by Sri Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister of India. The purpose of the movement is to promote physical activities and sports in masses. Masses means to the largest people, maximum people, so that they can fit and healthy and keep away the lifestyle diseases. He says, स्वस्थ व्यक्ति, स्वस्थ परिवार और स्वस्थ समाज, ये है भारत के श्रेष्ठ भारत बनाने का रास्ता है. भारत को श्रेष्ठ बनाने का रास्ता है. अगर व्यक्ति स्वस्थ होगा, उसका परिवार स्वस्थ होगा, तो समाज स्वस्थ होगा, और जब ये सब चीजें स्वस्थ होंगी तो भारत भी एक समृद्ध राष्ट्र बनेगा. राइट? सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट specific sports program. Now the second comes healthy run. What is health run? It is also one type of activity which can be conducted with the specific causes. So health run, such kind of the run is generally conducted for the purpose of bringing the awareness about the health standards in the society and creating awareness about the importance of physical activities for maintaining good health or for raising charity. आपने देखा बॉम्बे, पुणे, दिल्ली, कई बार कैंसर अवेयरनेस, कहीं पे ब्लड, दूसरे कॉजेस के साथ में बहुत सारे रन ऑर्गेनाइज होते हैं। तो उसमें क्या है, अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करने के लिए सच काइंड ऑफ दी रन्स और some such kind of the activities are organized in charity. So in this run, the purpose of the runner is not to win, but to participate in the event. And to get its full impact, a large number of registrations are required. मैक्सिमम लोग पार्टिसिपेट करें अगर हम हमारे इसको रियल कॉज में इसको इफेक्टिव बनाना है. Try to get involved maximum people in such kind of the activities. You also conduct such kind of the activity in school. अभी लास्ट टाइम हमने किया था, याद आ रहा हो, रन फॉर बोट, यूनिटी, रन फॉर यूनिटी, ये अलग अलग जो क्रॉस कंट्री रेसेस हमने कराई थी, वो दैट इज द पार्ट ऑफ दैट. There is no age bar for participation in such kind of the runs. There is no age bar. It is not a professional race, so there is no need to run a long distance. Such a run can be conducted by NGO or health department to spread awareness about health related issues. कोई भी health related है इशू जो है, जो सोसाइटी को इफेक्ट कर रहा है और उसके लिए अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करनी है, you can conduct this kind of the activities. Run for fun. The purpose of this run is to spread message of staying fit. Again, same kind, only the name change. Run for health run or fun run, all almost same, right? The purpose of this run to spread message to stay fit and healthy among the masses or maximum people in the society. Sometimes such races may be conducted to raise funds for a specific purpose. पैसा इकट्ठा करने के लिए, किसी कॉज के लिए जहां पे हमको उस पैसे की जरूरत हो. In schools such as race attract children and their parents. These are the friendly races and may be conducted for any age. However, the physical education teacher must be careful and plan meritoriously to avoid any kind of accident or mishap. किसी को हार्ट अटैक ना आ जाए, किसी को ब्लड प्रेशर ज्यादा है उसको ज्यादा तेजी से ना भगा दें, उसको ज्यादा लंबा डिस्टेंस ना दे दें. अगर आप ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे हैं तो आपके पास में ईच एंड एवरी एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ दिस रेस और रन हैज टू बी visualized before introducing that. What are the things are needed, that all plan has to be maintained properly. Age, mobility, types of movement involved should be taken care. Example of such races are lemon and spoon race, sack race, 3-leg race, parents and children race, teacher and child race, banana race, road running. ये सारे फन में आते हैं. And these activities we have conducted at the time of annual sports day, when the parents used to come and they also participate in some little minor kind of the activities. So this can also be conducted to bring the awareness about the health. Run for a specific cause. This event is generally conducted to spread awareness about social issues like cleanliness, promoting green environment, etc. The purpose of such event is to spread awareness among the masses for a definite cause or to generate charity, chanda ikhatta karna. Example, the specific cause may be cancer, awareness about the cancer, awareness about the AIDS, gender inequality. So these are the some topics to bring awareness among the society. Such kind of the races can be conducted so that the maximum people come to know why this race has been conducted and what are the things which has to be spread in the right prospects in the society. Run for unity. In such a type of run, the purpose is to promote the feeling of integrity and the brotherhood in community, state, nations, or among the different religions. कोई भी जो यूनिटी से रिलेटेड है, जहां पे एक इंटीग्रिटी की फीलिंग डेवलप करनी है, ब्रदरहुड की कम्युनिटी में एक फीलिंग डेवलप करनी है, स्टेटहुड की करनी है, this run can be organized in such a way. So such event help to develop bonding and sense of togetherness among the people. So sports activities become very strong tool or instrument to bring this all societies, all communities together to achieve a target which we have set it for this races. Anything else? Case study. Now, what is this case study? Let us try to understand. In the beginning of the annual academic plan of the school, a physical education committee meeting was held, which included of the school principal, teacher and students, alumni and the parents. The agenda of discussion was to plan for comprehensive program for physical education and sports for all ages and prepared a schedule for event along with the recommendations of various subcommittees to conduct sports events. The team realized released the schedule of the event to be conducted in the current academic year. As per interest and capability of the student and teacher, various subcommittees were recommended. The subcommittee consisting of house teachers, students provided feedback about the concerned regarding draws and fixtures in the intramural tournaments, where the best team competed against each other in the initial round itself. The students also felt that sometimes the team were not so cohesive and did not display some sportsmanlike behavior, honor of the field. They felt such situations were unseemly and could be avoided through a systematic process. There was also a need to increase the coordination among the committee with more defined role and responsibilities of each member to provide exposure to the potential athletes and for talent development. A proposal was put forward for hosting a state level inter-school competition at a school. To this end, the committee would need human resource, technical support, and financial assistance. A new feature of annual physical education program was the conduct of a mass run of crowdfunding. ये एक केस स्टडी उन्होंने प्रिंट किया है, तो ये अपने काम की चीज नहीं है, ठीक है। तो ये चीज आपको मैंने, अब इसमें कोई चीज रह गई हो तो देन टेल मी।
No, sir.
This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Purvi,
Yes, sir.
over to you, as you have volunteered yourself for the topic.
Yes, sir.
Yes, over to you.
Sir, for the first chapter or the topic I have taken yesterday.
Yesterday.
Yes, sir. Sir, can I present my screen?
Please go ahead.
Sir, screen visible?
Yeah.
Om Shri Sai Ram. So my topic is balanced diet, functions and factors affecting balanced diet. So first we should know that what is a balanced diet. Balanced diet is a diet which contains all nutrients including micronutrients and macronutrients like carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, etc. in correct proportion for efficient working of body. So basically a balanced diet is a diet which contains all the nutrients which are needed by our body for proper working and functioning of our body. So balanced diet is divided into three parts: energy yielding food, body building food and defensive food. First, energy yielding food. Energy yielding food consists of carbohydrates and fats. This food helps to provide energy to individual for working out or activities. Majority of carbohydrate should be in complex form. So basically in this food, amount of carbohydrate and fat should be more than any other nutrients or minerals. So the proportion of carbohydrates is 60 to 70%, and proportion of fats is 50 to 5 to 10%. Second, bodybuilding food. This bodybuilding food consists of proteins which help in the growth and development of body. It helps to repair or replace the worn out tissues. So basically, in bodybuilding food, the amount of protein is more because protein helps us to repair our worn out tissues or the tissues which are damaged. So proportion of protein is 15 to 20%. Third, body defensive food. Defensive food. This consists of vitamins, minerals, and water. This helps in proper functioning and defense of various organs. So, this defensive food consists of water, minerals, and vitamins, which helps our body to fight against viruses, bacteria, and help our organ to work, function properly. So proportion of vitamins and minerals is 15 to 20%, and we should drink water at least 3 to 5 liters. Next, in first slide we have seen macronutrients and micronutrients. So in detail we should know what are they. So first, macronutrients. Nutrients which are required in larger proportion in our diet. The main source of energy and body development are carbohydrates, proteins, fibers, and water. So basically, macronutrients are the nutrients which are required by our body in larger proportion for the development of energy and body. Example of macronutrients are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. Second, micronutrients. As the name suggests, micro means in small quantity. So these are the nutrients which are required in smaller proportion in our daily diet. They are considered as supplement food like chloride, iron, zinc, boron, and etc. They act as a defensive food and help in proper functioning of various organs. So basically, micronutrients help to fight against microbes and any other diseases which enter in our body, and it helps us our organ to work and function properly. So examples of micronutrients are vitamins and minerals.
Good.
Now,
Urvi, अभी इसको यहीं रोक लेते हैं. We will continue
Yes,
tomorrow. Okay.
yes,
And
sir.
before that, because only 1 or 2 minutes left out, so I will just want to talk to them. So 16 people are there, and total how many are there in the class?
Sir, 27.
27. It means 10 people. Still people are living. So no problem. I will post all the assignments with name, and they have to prepare the assignments. Please be connected with the WhatsApp group so that you should be able to know what homework, what assignment, what are the things which is important is communicated on that window itself, right? So please keep checking. Whenever you are having the new message, respond so that I should also know that you have got the message, right? Rest is okay. Keep yourself fit, stay healthy, and take care, right? We will meet tomorrow. Thank you. Sairam.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Sairam, sir.
Thank you, sir.